Welcome back, everybody. Just want to do an update video on our pond build that we have been working on in our backyard. We did get a few more pours in since the last video. We did just pour this curb section here on the kind of dam portion or the deeper portion of the pond to kind of hold it back, and then we'll come in and mortar it out on the top cap kind of and flush it out to the rest of the pond. And we are thinking of putting some dry pack down and maybe some stone on the bank to kind of help it to not erode in our rainy season. We did get some more low voltage lights in, and we've been working on this stream section, kind of waterfall area. We got some mortar put in, so we're starting that. But the lights sure do light up the pond pretty good at night, and these trees. They're about 1,000 lumen lights, so working out pretty good. But we did pour this stair section today, kind of leading into the pond. We used a little bit more bags than we kind of thought, but we do have 10 more sacks of Quikrete to finish out the rest of the stair section here. So we'll get that done tomorrow, and then we'll come in and mortar. And then we got some UGL Drylock Extreme Sealer, and we got it in a tan kind of color, so we'll paint that out coming up. In the rest of the video, I'm going to be working on some welding projects. I'm just going to be finishing up a work table that I've been working on, and a lockbox that goes on the front of a door of a storage container that we have at another property. So it's kind of like a security lockbox that I'll be welding up, and then when I get down there I'll finish it up and weld it out on the door of the shipping container. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.